apply for all the offerings. The second, really actual realization. During that time, it's very important to first a little bit, experience or thinking about for emptiness. Through the emptiness, we can, visualization like that. Okay?
In the space of the Dharmakaya of great spontaneous bliss, in the midst of billowing clouds of magnificent offerings, upon the sparkling jewels supported by great snow lines, on a sea composed of a lotus moon, sits supreme exalted Avalokiteshvara, great treasure of compassion, assuming the form of a monk wearing saffron-colored robes. O my Vajradhara Master, kind in all three ways, holy Losam Tenzin Gyatso, endowed with glowing fair complexion and a radiant smiling face, your right hand in your heart in a gesture from Dharma holds the stem of one white lotus that supports the book and sword. Your left hand, resting in meditative pose, holds the thousand-spoke wheel. You are clothed in the three saffron robes of a monk, and are crowned with the pointed golden hat of a pendant. Your aggregate sensory spheres.
Stop that. Before the meditation, that when a guru or lama or representative for all the teachings in the Avalokiteshvara, the manifesto of human form is his own the lama. Everyone knows him, everyone has connection him, everyone receives the teaching from him. It was very easy for all of us to meditation and concentration and thinking. There's also all the you teachers and the representative, His Holiness Avalokiteshvara. There's also human form for all of us can see. As a couple of years, one of the Taiwanese lady asked His Holiness what I'm going to be thinking when I'm going to die. He said, it's possible to keep my picture in front of you, and the moment you die, and use mind, keep on that, it will be fun. Okay, this is the second one. So after that is also the highest yoga tantra. It's example of you looking for the glass to see all the pictures and different deities like that, okay? Yep.
You are clothed in the three saffron robes of a monk, and are crowned with a pointed golden hat upon it. Your aggregate sensory spheres, senses, and objects, as well as your limbs, are mindful complete with the fine rules of their consorts, many and million bodhisattvas that are now together. His lower two hands hold a crystal rosary of white lotus. He is adorned with jewel ornaments and heavenly raiment. Over his left shoulder an antelope skin straight, and cross-legged he is seated on a silver moon and lotus. The white silver tree of concentration being in his heart emits brilliant colored light in all 10 directions. On my master's brow is a white almond, within his throat a red eye, at his heart a blue moon, from which many lights shine out in myriad directions, inviting forth a network of cloud-like self-emanations to tame the minds of all sentient beings.
fully adorned with all the signs of a Buddha. Your melodious speech complete. Your body is fully adorned with all the signs of a Buddha. Your melodious speech complete with all 60 rhythms flows without hesitation.
And then Avalokiteshvara, okay? Then yeah, you can read three times.
Material offerings of my own and those of others, the actual objects, those that I visualize, body and wealth and all virtues amassed throughout the 3 times, I offer to you upon visualized oceans of clouds like Samantabhadra's offerings. Material offerings and those of others, the actual objects and those that I visualize, body and wealth and all virtues amassed throughout the 3 times, I offer to you upon visualized oceans of clouds like Samantabhadra's offerings.
Okay.